Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open the YouTube app or website and tap your profile icon. You will see a time watched entry under your profile menu. Tap time watched to see your daily average and total for the last 7 days. This page shows total watch time, watch sessions, and average session length. It breaks down time by video and device. Use this overview first to understand current habits and baseline numbers before making limits. Enable Remind Me to take a break and choose a time like 30 minutes. That setting pauses playback and shows a break reminder after the chosen time. Use Pause Watch History if you want to stop tracking a specific viewing session. To cap daily use, set a daily limit inside YouTube or use app timers for 1 or 2 hours. These tools give you gentle stops and strict cutoffs to control how much you watch. Use iOS Screen Time or Android Digital Wellbeing to set app limits for YouTube. Open your device settings and choose App Limits or Dashboard to add a rule. Set the YouTube app limit to 2 hours or a custom daily amount like 45 minutes. Review 7-day reports in those systems to compare with YouTube totals. If you need stricter control, enable downtime or bedtime mode to block access during chosen hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.